In this video, we will learn how to deposit funds into your trading account using cryptocurrency. On the Secured Client area, click on the Deposit option on the top right corner of your dashboard. On the next screen, scroll down to find the option for crypto deposits. Click on the option. For deposits and withdrawals using cryptocurrency, you will first need to link a wallet to your Trive trading account. We have already linked a wallet in this case, so we will proceed with the deposit. On the next screen, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Confirm the network and wallet address and click on Continue. In the Payment Authentication window, scan the QR code with your crypto wallet of choice and complete the transaction. Alternatively, you can also use Binance Pay to complete the transaction. Once the transaction is complete, please wait for confirmation of your deposit.
Trive.